This is where good living does good business.
Bring the good times home.
There's some really exciting things happening in the electric and some of the gas fireplaces.
Nice to come to these and see all the new technology and everything that's coming out.
We all flew in from Hawaii. It's a great opportunity for us to get hands on the product because we're so isolated and far away.
I've been an NFI instructor for years, but the way I learned was these programs at Expo. It made a difference in my world, made my life easier, made it easier to run a business.
Love coming to the Expo. It is an awesome opportunity to catch up on your CEUs, to get new certifications, to network. It is an awesome opportunity, and everybody should be taking advantage of what they're giving us here.
A really good way to A, keep your guys trained up, and B, kind of stay ahead of what's going on currently in the industry.